Hi, this is Otto Koster from Netpicker. In this video I want to show you what you can do with Netpicker as a network engineer. Netpicker is our new network testing platform. Because it is based on Python, it gives you the flexibility to write tests for a wide variety of use cases. Netpicker comes out of the box with rules for CVEs hardening and CVEs for security vulnerabilities. But you can go much further. You can write your own tests to check if your network is compliant with industry regulations, create design validations, or use Netpicker in your change management process for pre- and post-change validation. As a NetDev engineer, you can use the code editor to write and debug tests in real time against your network devices. Netpicker provides device configurations, show command output, and API access, so you have all the tools needed for the most complex use cases. If you're less experienced with Python, Netpicker gives you a powerful user interface in which you can easily create your first tests without writing any code. And if you want to have more flexibility later on, we've got you covered. All your data, from device configurations to your Python code, is available in a Git repository with version control. It is all stored locally and will never leave your system. Netpicker supports all the major vendors such as Cisco, Juniper, Aruba, Arista and many more. We use the Netmico library to connect to your devices, and we will be adding support for more vendors in the future. Also, we've open sourced our CVEs and CVE library of tests, which we call PyTests for networking, and we encourage you to check it out and contribute. Check out our Netpicker channel on the NetDev community on Slack for support and feedback. We'd love to hear from you. Happy testing!